Before we get started, make sure you subscribe to our video channel. We're going to publish more videos about important topics in federal government contracting. You won't want to miss them. If you're a federal government contractor that is facing a potential or actual False Claims Act charge, you want to quickly assess the reality of what the government is really going after. There's no doubt that in recent years, false claims charges have escalated, and the DOJ is more actively involved than ever before. You could be facing potential jail time and harsh financial penalties. This short video covers the three most important points when dealing with a False Claims Act charge. Number 1, dealing with imminent criminal charges. Whether you are a contractor or individual, you want to immediately assess the facts of your case to find out the strengths and weaknesses of the government's case. This step can save you tens of thousands in unnecessary attorney fees. Most defendants miss this part and then find themselves playing from behind and thus giving the government a clear advantage. Number 2, do the government's attorneys really understand the underlying rules? This is very important when companies are charged for violating SBA and small business program rules. If you are charged with government contract or procurement violations, do you have an attorney that really understands the landmines that can blow your case wide open? Rules under the federal small business program are very complex and have a variety of nuances that even the federal prosecutors are not fully aware of. There are many cases where defendants have been convicted without the detailed representation they needed. 3, develop internal policies and controls. When you take the time to develop meaningful internal policies and controls, it says a lot about your company when a criminal case comes about. Having these policies in place can mitigate the outcome of your case, and having internal policies in place can certainly help if there are suspension and debarment proceedings. Be transparent with the government. If, during performance of the contract, you find something that can lead to potential False Claims Act charges, you want to immediately bring it up to the government. This goes over and beyond any mandatory disclosure requirements. Even if your company has to spend money and resources retaining counsel to help you with these issues, it certainly beats having your reputation being tarnished or even going through embarrassing criminal lawsuits that can impact the company's future. For help defending a federal False Claims Act case or implementing policies and controls to avoid criminal charges, contact Watson & Associates, LLC at 1-866-601-5518 for free initial consultation.